How to make calls vibrate short on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make calls vibrate short on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find vibrate and click on it. Here you will find short. Just click short, and that's how to make calls vibrate short on WhatsApp, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.